Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to clone apps on your iPhone and create multiple app shortcuts on your home screen. Let's get started. To clone an app on iOS, first swipe all the way to your app library. That's the last page on your iPhone. Now find the app you want to clone. I'm using Instagram as an example. Press and hold the app icon, then drag it back to your home screen. Once you drop it here, you'll see you now have two instances of the same app on your screen. You can move this duplicate app anywhere you like. I'll place it right next to the original. And if you want, you can repeat this process to create a third or fourth shortcut. Works with any app. Now, here's an important note about cloning apps on iPhone. Both shortcuts will open the same account. You're not creating separate accounts, just multiple shortcuts for quicker access to the app from different home screen pages. This is perfect for organizing your iPhone home screen or accessing frequently used apps faster. That's how you duplicate apps on iOS. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.